What if I told you there's a simple trick you can use tonight to fall asleep faster? No pills, no gadgets, no complicated routines. The secret is your own breath. Most of us overlook this powerful tool, but it's the key to deep relaxation. When your mind races at night, this simple breathing technique can help you break the cycle. It's not a new fad, it's an ancient practice now backed by science. You can learn it in minutes and use it right away. No apps, no subscriptions, just you and a few moments of focus. This method interrupts stress and tells your body it's safe to rest. Let's explore how this breathing hack can become your greatest ally for restful sleep. Poor sleep isn't just a nuisance, it accelerates aging inside and out. Chronic sleep loss keeps your body in a state of stress, raising cortisol and breaking down skin collagen. Beauty sleep is real, your body repairs itself at night. Without enough sleep, your immune system weakens, blood sugar regulation falters, and your risk for serious diseases rises. Your brain also suffers, concentration drops, memory fades, and mood swings become common. Over time, this leads to faster aging and a breakdown in your body's ability to repair itself. Sleep deprivation makes your mind more anxious and reactive, creating a vicious cycle of stress and sleeplessness. Breaking this cycle is crucial for your health and vitality. Improving your sleep is one of the most powerful anti-aging strategies you can adopt. Prioritize sleep, and you'll notice the difference in your energy, mood, and even your skin. Let's look at a practical way to make that happen. How do we break the cycle of stress and sleeplessness? Enter the 4-7-8 breathing method. Popularized by Dr. Andrew Weil and rooted in ancient yogic practice, this technique is a natural tranquilizer for your nervous system. It's more than deep breathing, it's a specific rhythm that activates your body's rest and digest mode. By slowing your breath and extending your exhale, you signal your brain that it's safe to relax. The long exhale stimulates the vagus nerve, slowing your heart rate and calming your system. This method doesn't just distract your mind, it changes your body's chemistry, creating the perfect environment for sleep. Let's break down how to do it. The 4-7-8 technique is simple and quick. Get comfortable, sitting or lying down. Place your tongue just behind your upper front teeth. Exhale completely through your mouth with a gentle whoosh. Close your mouth, inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, exhale through your mouth for a count of 8, making that whooshing sound. That's one cycle. Repeat for a total of 4 breaths. If you feel lightheaded, pause and try again later. This short routine can calm your mind and prepare your body for deep sleep. How can breathing have such a big impact on sleep? It's all about your brain and nervous system. The 4-7-8 method shifts your brain waves from fast, anxious beta waves to slower, sleep-friendly alpha and theta waves. It also lowers your stress hormone, cortisol, by stimulating the vagus nerve. This helps your body switch from fight or flight to relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. Holding your breath increases oxygen in your blood, calming your brain and body. The result? Slower heart rate, lower blood pressure, and a sense of peace. You're using your breath as a remote control for your nervous system. Let's put it into practice tonight. Now it's your turn to try the 4-7-8 method. When you get into bed, get comfortable and close your eyes. Place your tongue behind your upper front teeth. Exhale fully through your mouth with a whoosh. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 7. Exhale through your mouth for 8. Repeat for 4 cycles. Focus on the counting and the feeling of your breath. If your mind wanders, gently return to your breath. After 4 breaths, let your breathing return to normal and notice how you feel. Don't worry about results, just allow yourself to rest. We often chase complex solutions for better health, but sometimes the simplest practices are the most powerful. The 4-7-8 technique is a small change with a big impact. Better sleep, slower aging, and improved well-being. Just a few minutes of intentional breathing each night can help you fall asleep faster and spend more time in restorative sleep. Over time, you'll notice better immunity, sharper thinking, and healthier skin. Sleep is a necessity, not a luxury. And you have the power to improve it with your breath. Make this technique part of your nightly ritual. The benefits are priceless. More energy, less stress, and a healthier you. Start tonight. Take a few deep breaths and discover the power to transform your nights and days.